Hi everybody, I am Naufal. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding some of the confusing words of the research. Most of the students are confused with these terms like dissertation and thesis, research proposal and synopsis, research article and research paper. By watching this video, you will get a clear idea regarding what is the difference between all these terms. We can see one by one. First one is dissertation and thesis. So, regarding dissertation, the word dissertation comes from the Latin word discussion or debate. The word dissertation comes from Latin word which means discussion or debate. As well as the word thesis comes from Greek word which means a proposition. Okay. So, the main difference between dissertation and thesis is related to the countries. Suppose, if you are doing a research project in India or in UK or in the most of the European countries. Okay. In your master graduate or your graduate level, for example, MSc, MPhil or MEd. In India or UK or in the most of the European countries, at the master degree level you are doing a research project. So, for that project we will call it as dissertation. In India, in UK as well as most of the European countries in the graduate as well as the master graduate level. For example, MSc or the MEd or the MPhil if you are doing, so we will call it as dissertation. As well as if you are doing PhD, that is doctorate degree in India or in UK or in the European countries, we will call for that research project, we will call it as thesis. So, the main difference is related to the country. At the same time, in US, if you are doing the research project at your master degree level, we will call it as thesis, and for your PhD, for your doctorate degree in US, we will call it as dissertation. The difference is related to the country. If in the India or UK, for the master degree level research project, we are calling dissertation, and PhD we are calling it as thesis. But in US, just opposite to that, for the PhD level it is dissertation, as well as for the master degree it is called as thesis. This is the main difference between dissertation and thesis. Now, regarding India or UK, we call it as, in the master degree level it is dissertation, right? And for the PhD we will call it as thesis. We can see the difference, another difference between dissertation and thesis. So, for the master degree we are call it as dissertation, and for the PhD it is thesis. Definitely the time duration will be more in thesis, because for the PhD program you are submitting the research project. So, the time duration will be more as compared to the dissertation, that is for the master degree. So, the time duration taken to submit the research project for the thesis it will be more, as well as for the dissertation it will be less. And regarding the detail, in-depth explanation will be there in the thesis, because it is a PhD program. So, in detail each and everything the explanation will be there in detail as compared to dissertation. In dissertation the explanation will be less. As well as regarding the dissertation and thesis, the number of pages will be maximum, it should be 100 for dissertation. For the master degree program, maximum pages will be 100, but in the thesis it will be more than 100. Okay, for the thesis it will be more than 100. This is the main difference between dissertation and thesis. Okay, next one is research proposal and synopsis. Research proposal and synopsis. So, just imagine you are going to do PhD. To do the PhD, first you have to write a entrance exam. Now, after completing the entrance exam, you will have a interview with the university people. The experts of the university will conduct a interview. During the interview, they will ask you what study you are going to do. So you will have a study, what you are going to do, you will have a idea or a plan regarding that study. So they will accept, okay, this is your problem statement. Now they will ask you how you will carry out this study, how you will collect the data, what is the research methodology, and how you will collect the sample, and how you will do the data analysis. Now regarding all these things, you will have a tentative plan. You will have a plan regarding the study that you are going to do. This thing is prepared by you only. Research proposal is prepared by the person who is going to do the research only, not with the help of the expert, but along only you are doing the research, not with the help of others. You are doing it alone. So maybe error will be there. Okay. So here the experts are accepting your research proposal. You are preparing a plan regarding your research for the PhD. These are the thing I am going to do. This is my plan. This is the way I will collect the data. This is the way I will do the sampling. This is the way I will do the data analysis. This is research proposal. Now the experts from the university has accepted your research proposal and you will get admission in the university. After getting the approval from the university regarding your research proposal, you will get expert or guide. You will get the guide or the expert. Now they will check your research proposal and some necessary changes they will advise to you. Now you got a mentor or a guide. They are expert. They will have rich knowledge in the field of research. So they will guide you. You can do like this. This thing is wrong. If you do like this, that will be better. So some necessary changes you will make in your research proposal. Now you can call it as synopsis. Here, with the help of the expert, with the help of the guide or with the help of the mentor, you are purifying the research proposal. So the synopsis is the purified form of the research proposal. Okay, you got the guide, you got the knowledge, you got different idea regarding your study. Now it is synopsis. In the beginning, you prepared with your idea. There is no help, that is research proposal. Here in the synopsis, you got the guide, you got the the mentor, as well as you got rich knowledge regarding your study from the library or from different literature review. Now you are making some necessary changes. So that is a purified form, that is synopsis. Okay, the purified form of research proposal is synopsis. One more thing you have to keep it in mind, it will differ according to your university. The guidelines will be different according to the university. So just go through the guidelines of your university, what they are asking, whether research proposal or the synopsis. That thing you have to keep it in mind. Next one is research article and research paper. The difference between research article and research paper. For example, research article and research paper. First we can see the similarities. We can see the similarities. Regarding the research article and research paper, the first similarity is both are research project. Both are the research project and both are the original research project, as well as the structure or the format of the research is also same. This is the similarity between research article and research paper. Now we can see the difference between research article and the research paper. Okay, research article means, suppose if you are publishing your research study in the magazine or in the peer review journal. If you are publishing your research study in the written form, you are publishing your research study, you can call it as research article. If you are publishing your study in the written form in the magazine or in the journal, you can call it as research article. Now, regarding the research paper, if you are presenting your research study in the conference, that is the international or the national conference, or in the seminar, in the oral form or in a poster form with the help of the posters, or in a oral form you are presenting in a conference. That may be a international conference or maybe a national conference, or in a seminar. In the oral form if you are presenting, or in a poster form with the help of the posters if you are presenting your research study, we can call it as research paper. This is the difference between all these terms. I hope you got an idea regarding this. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment below. We will meet soon with another video. Till that time, thank you and goodbye.